Today we're going to take a 30-day dry-aged tomahawk steak and make it with a little twist, Game of Thrones style. Okay, we're using a dry-aged steak, 30-day dry-age. You want to trim off just the first thin layer everywhere and reveal the beautiful steak underneath. We're going to put the seasoning together here. We'll mix this all together. Going to give it a fun little extra flavor on top of what it's already going to have. We're going to take our garlic butter we've been smoking on here. And with a big steak, you got to use a big mop. We're going to coat this. We're about 1,000 degrees on the coals right there that I'm going to place it on. So it's going to be a quick sear both sides. Here we go. Oh man, you can hear that sizzle from here. And that's all it needs. Look at that. There's only one way to eat a tomahawk steak and take your first bite. Oh my goodness. This is incredible.